Hi, hello and welcome to a new CrocFIX video tutorial. So we have here the latest Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and the problem is the phone is locked. So if you also forgot your PIN number, your password, your pattern to draw, then you can use this video to unlock your phone again. But you will need your Gmail account and your password which was associated with this phone. So we are not supporting stolen phones to be unlocked or something else. So again, you need your Gmail account and password after this to unlock or to activate the phone. So if you forgot the screen lock, let's go with the procedure. I will show you what to do. There are some basic things, but you need to follow the steps really carefully and really step by step. You don't, if you forget anything, you can't unlock it. Okay, so let's go to the procedure and just keep in mind that unfortunately all data on the phone like photos, videos and everything will be deleted. There is no other way to unlock the phone except this way. Okay, so once you have the phone, you will also need an USB-C cable connected to a device. It can be connected to a computer. You don't need any software. So you connect it to the computer, other tablet, other phone, or any other device. It could be also USB-C earphones, or maybe also a gaming console, TV, whatever. Just something that it gets a signal here. So no software, just the cable and just the signal. So once this is connected here, then we need to press here some buttons. So this is the volume up and volume down button. It looks like one button, but if you press it up, it's volume up. If you press it down, it's volume down. And this is the power button. So we need to press all three buttons here to make the phone restarting. Because if you don't do this, then you can't actually proceed with the next step. So we need to press all three buttons, then wait. When you see that the phone restarted, then you release the power button and volume down button, but keep holding volume up button. Let's try this at first. So press. Let's go and press all three buttons together. Press and hold, still press and hold, press and hold, press and hold. So the phone restarted, release the volume down button, keep holding volume up and the power button. So keep holding these two buttons until we see something on the screen coming on. Maybe it won't work for the first time, don't worry. So we don't see anything going on here. Let's click once here. Okay, the phone is turned off. If this happens, don't worry. Just press volume up and the power button together. Hold these two buttons until we see the Samsung logo coming. If nothing happens, maybe the phone went to some other. When you see Samsung Galaxy, you release the power button. Alright, that's it. So we are now in the recovery menu. But to make it easier for you, I will do this step again. So reboot system now, I confirm. Because sometimes it doesn't work for the first time and I want to show you how to really do it. If you see a blue screen here, that's the download mode. And you need to press the buttons which says for the restart and then you just repeat the step again. Because the download mode is not what we are searching for. Alright? Okay, so again, the phone is now in the OS. Let's go press all three buttons and keep them holding. Hold these buttons, still hold the buttons, still hold the buttons, okay? Now release the volume down button. If you see the Samsung Galaxy logo coming, then after that you release the power button, but keep holding the volume up button. So if nothing happens, that means the phone just shut down. Alright, don't worry. So press volume up and the power button. And then you need to see Samsung and then the Samsung Galaxy. When we see the Galaxy, then we release the power button. Not before that. Alright? once again. Let's wait for the Samsung logo. Galaxy. Once you see the Samsung Galaxy, you release the power button, but keep holding volume up. And then you come into the recovery menu. You can unplug the cable, and then you need to go to Wipe Data Factory Reset. So you go down to Wipe Data Factory Reset with the volume down button, and you confirm with the power button here. So confirm. It says this cannot be undone, all data will be erased, and everything will be lost. So I hope you had a backup, but there is no other way. So we go down and click on Factory Data Reset and confirm with the power button here. So it does something, formatting data, cache, blah blah blah. And now we click on Reboot System Now and confirm with the power button. So that's it. The phone is wiped. The screen lock is removed. You will get another chance to activate the phone. You will need to connect it to your Wi-Fi or to your data, and then you follow the on-screen instructions to activate the phone. So when you see please enter the PIN number or pattern on the screen, just click use my Google account instead. You click on that, and then you enter your Gmail and password which was previously in this phone, and you can activate the phone again. So that's it. I hope the video can help you. Please write a comment if you want to say thank you. If you want to send a donation for this, if I could help you, thank you very much, much appreciated, and I hope to see you in the next video. Your CrocFIX. Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.